Yeah, this is a father's tribute, man. Time to bring it back from your boy Brody Williams. Check it. We always talking about what we take our mama through. What about our pops? Look at what we take them through. Days and nights sitting up crying day and night. The kids on the block don't know if their kids dying. A man's supposed to stand strong, but they can only take so much. We doing it wrong. Time to bring it back. Need to look and change. Give our parents some slack. Every day putting them through all this stress. I really don't know how they stand. We should left doing their best. On the inside they already died, but they got hope. But we taking it away, bringing them down the slope. Gang banging, moving the dope. Our pops going through the same, don't know how we still cope. Time to bring it back to love to our pops. They ain't got much time, we need to make them proud before the heart drops. Time to bring it back, go get a job, do good, happiness. Time to bring it back. Our pops might not do as much, but we still need the love touch. Time to bring back the respect. Time to bring back what they've gave, drop the tech. Look at the life we live, yeah it's harsh and cold, but I wouldn't change it for the world. Time for us to give. They're showing us the times to survive. They're showing us the times to lie and do grimy to stay alive. No matter what the fuck is going on, they dead. But look at how we treat our pops like we don't care. I understand, I know from first hand. Had nothing, not even my parents out there making the grand. But if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't know how to get up and stand. Wouldn't know what the fuck to do when shit gets rough on this land. We stand and die for our brothers, but our parents the ones we should do it for. Fuck the others. Time to bring back the times. Time to bring back what we taken from them, throwing gang signs. We think they don't care, they just don't know how to show it. They went through the same fucking shit, they can get us through it. Time to bring it back, go get a job, do good, happiness. Time to bring it back. Our pops might not do as much, but we still need the love touch. Time to bring back the respect. Time to bring back what they've gave, drop the tech. We're goons on the street where our parents' babies they miss putting to sleep. Time to bring back the smiles. Fuck keeping all this bullshit in piles. Our pops a man, ain't supposed to show weakness. If so, we be pussy. Show the fucking love while they're still there. Try to seek this. We only got one dad. When he's gone, you gotta know this life wasn't so fucking bad. You need to take a stand and bring it back. No matter what he's done, he got you where you are. If it wasn't for him, the gun already clapped. Look at it this way. They ain't doing it to push us away. They're doing it to bring more pain for we can survive another fucking day. I don't care, we say we hate our dad, but deep down you might not feel. But what you do to him, you gone sad. I've gone cold, never gave a fuck. Time to bring it back and look on the outside of the box. They got us unstuck. Time to bring it back, go get a job, do good, happiness. Time to bring it back. Our pops might not do as much, but we still need the love touch. Time to bring back the respect. Time to bring back what they have gave, drop the tech.